Alright, you guys, I got my hands on the all new Tech Deck Handboard. They finally brought them back. I was handboarding with a hand skate for a while, and this is just really exciting because these were like discontinued a long time ago and they brought them back. These are the 4 you can get. I got the Sonic one, which is my favorite out of the 4. What was I gonna say? This was the only one they had. I got at Target. It was $15. Just gonna open it up here. I'm really excited. I love handboarding, so I'm really happy that they came out with one. My other one was getting pretty rough anyhow. Test it out. The ground isn't very smooth. Oh, look at that. I love how it came, like, so you just open it up. Boom. That's neat. Come on. Okay, this so far has to be like, oh, it's heavy too. This is so like legit. Like the trucks are metal. Oh, that's so neat. As no skateboarding, I think because maybe people tried to ride it, or I don't know, but these wheels are nice too. They're like rubber. Oh, that's so neat. Alright, I'm gonna try to angle this so you guys can see me. Kickflip. Dude, the wheel already fell off it. It's not like it came with a skate tool either. What the heck? Okay, it's right now. Dude, is this the same wheel? Oh. It's gonna make me so mad if this isn't sturdy enough. I think all these just need tighten, maybe. Let's try it now. Oh, also it comes with stickers. That's cool. That kind of makes it better, but that is very disappointing that it's falling apart like this. Handboarding is like this intense. You be careful, you're by that drain though. You don't want to lose them. I think I might have to move. My hand kind of touched the ground on that one. I feel like I need to retry that. It's on the ground now. Where? This is really annoying. Like, okay, see how this looks here? Like, it looks like it was just like, you know, like welded weird. Like the
nails weird or something? I don't know what the hell that is.
The metal pieces, like there should be something else here, I feel like, to hold this in. There's no way that's screwing in like that, you know?
Yeah.
Like, I'm thinking there's something missing to this thing. Okay, so overall review on this thing. See, if the wheel didn't come off it, it would be a straight 10. Because other than the wheel falling off, it's very high quality. But that wheel should not be popping off like that. I'm thinking there's a missing piece in there. So I don't know how else to fall off like that.